As teachers begin planning their research writing unit, often the concept of Wikipedia works its way into the conversation. But it's short-lived because often teachers banish it and tell students they can't use it during the research unit. They can't use it because it's not trustworthy. The information isn't accurate. It's not credible. Although all of these statements can be supported with specific examples, I believe this is an over-generalization of much of this website. I think with some explicit instruction, explanation, clarification, we can have students using Wikipedia. It can play a vital role in research writing units. However, we need to acknowledge its limitations. Spend some time on the FAQ school portion of Wikipedia. Find out what Wikipedia says about how to use their site. It has a very clear warning to its users, and it tells them never use us as a source. We aren't the primary source. After acknowledging its limitations, let's then teach students what Wikipedia's actual purpose is intended for. When students are doing a research unit and go to a Google search and type into the window their big topic, they're going to get thousands of hits, thousands of different websites to click on and off to. Whereas in Wikipedia, if they type within that website, it is the hub. It's one landing page with all of this information. Now, what we might ask kids to do is use that as the starting point for their research. Not all of their research, just the launch pad. Teach them how to use the contents outline to kind of just get an overview of the facets and important people and relevant vocab for their subject matter. After they have this basic background knowledge, then they could use this same site to begin generating their research questions. They will also find potential sources via the hyperlinks and the footnotes on the Wikipedia page. In addition to how Wikipedia can support the researcher, we also want to provide students with explicit instruction on what not to use Wikipedia for. Although a starting point, it's not the ending point of their research. We need to make sure that students never cite Wikipedia as the source for information. We want them to leave the Wikipedia site to go to other external sources to confirm and fact-check what they read and discovered on Wikipedia. We want them to go to external sources for more information, maybe more timely information. We need them to understand that Wikipedia is built on a platform that's referred to as crowdsourced, which means that the source of the information on Wikipedia is the crowd. It's anybody. So yeah, there's potential for inaccurate or false information. And thus, we need them to start on Wikipedia, but then leave it to confirm all information. I can appreciate a teacher's hesitancy to allow students to use Wikipedia. And again, because of its potential for inaccurate information. But wait, isn't that the same logic we want kids to apply to any website? Just because they're not on Wikipedia doesn't mean they can trust all internet sources. In fact, I think Wikipedia might be one of the best tools to really get kids to build up their media literacy skills. This is a place where they can fact check and clarify if information is truly factual, is it false, or is it fake?